This is Dr. Tommy Campbell Jr. and I want to encourage the world on YouTube. I want to take about 6 or 8 minutes just to give you a word of encouragement. I want to encourage the world on YouTube. Listen to me very closely. If there was ever a time for people to be encouraged, now is the time for people to be encouraged like never before. I want to talk about something very important today, and I just want to speak from my heart for about 6 or 8 minutes. I want you to walk away from this motivational video feeling my heart. I want you to walk away from this motivational video knowing my heart. I want you to walk away from this motivational video knowing that I want to see you successful. I want to see you successful. I want to see you win in every area of your life. I want to see you win your best life. I want to see you happy. I want you to have peace in your mind. I want you to have your sanity. I want you to be successful. I am on your side. I'm rooting for you. And the message I want to talk to you today is about rebuilding yourself. Rebuilding yourself. I want you to rebuild yourself. Everything that you've been through, the depression, the divorce, the addiction, the mental illness, the nervous breakdown, losing your job, losing your marriage, losing a loved one, you're grieving, procrastination, depression, low self-esteem, anxiety, fear. I want you to rebuild yourself. Because when you rebuild yourself, you are going to be successful once you rebuild yourself. Because so many times we can go through so many different things. We can go through so many trials. We can go through so many tribulations. We can just go through a lot of pain in our lives. And because of that, we must get to a place in our lives that we will literally rebuild ourselves. That we should get to a place in our lives that we will rebuild our lives. I want to see you rebuild your life. There is nothing wrong with starting all over again. Sometimes in life, we just have to rebuild. Sometimes in our lives, we just have to start all over again. Sometimes in our lives, we just have to try over and over again. What do you mean, Dr. Campbell? There are times in our lives, if we are going to rebuild our lives, we must be resilient. We must be persistent. We must be consistent. And we must want it as bad as we want to live. Do you want to accomplish your dreams as bad as you want to live? How bad do you want it? That's the question I want to ask you. How bad do you want it? Do you have a why for what you want to do? Because if you don't have a why for what you want to do, when life hits you, you're going to stop. You're going to quit. You're going to give up. And let me say this, I'm closing already. I'm closing. You're not a failure if you try and fail. If you try and you fail, that does not make you a failure. This is what makes you a failure. Watch this. Please take notes. Please write this down. I'm teaching. What makes you a failure is when you quit and give up. That's what makes you a failure. I'm going to say it again. This is what makes you a failure. What makes you a failure is not when you fail. What makes you a failure is not when you try and you fail. What makes you a failure is when you quit and give up. And there are so many people, they have quit and given up on their lives. And I don't want that to be you. Maybe you're going through mentally. Rebuild yourself. Maybe you're having a bad situation. Rebuild yourself. Maybe you're going through a divorce. Rebuild yourself. Maybe you've been through a divorce. Rebuild yourself. Maybe you're having problems in your marriage. Maybe you're having problems in your relationships. Maybe you're stressed out on your job. Rebuild yourself. Maybe you're grieving because you lost a loved one. Rebuild yourself. There is nothing wrong with starting all over again. Rebuild yourself. Do me a favor. If you've been following me as a motivational speaker, and if you've been listening to my voice, I want you to write a comment in this motivational video, and I want you to let me know how my voice has changed your life. Because there were people reached out to me. They said, Dr. Campbell, I was about to kill myself and commit suicide, but I watched your motivational videos and I decided not to commit suicide, all because I watched your motivational videos. That's what it's about. People were about to get a divorce. They watched my motivational videos and they decided to stay together. People graduated from college, started their businesses, all because they watched my motivational videos. That's what it's about. I want you to rebuild yourself. Maybe you were adopted and it broke your heart. Rebuild yourself. Maybe you grew up without a father. You grew up in a single mother home. You grew up in a poor family. Rebuild yourself. Maybe you're a billionaire, but you're still not happy. Rebuild yourself. Maybe you're a multi-millionaire, but you're still depressed. You're still not happy. Rebuild yourself. Start all over again. Rebuild yourself. Find something that can make you happy. Find something that can make you happy physically, spiritually, and emotionally. I don't want to see you ruin your life. Rebuild yourself. That is the word for today. Rebuild yourself. Also, please click the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will greatly appreciate it. Please click the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this motivational video with someone that needs to hear this. I'm closing. I promise you. I'm closing. I would love for you to hire me as your mindset coach and life coach. I am a mindset coach and a certified professional life coach, and I would love for you to hire me as your mindset coach and your life coach. Do me a favor, and I'm closing. Go to the bottom of this motivational video, and when you go to the bottom of this motivational video, you will see my website. My website is in blue letters at the bottom of this motivational video. Click on my website in blue letters, and when you go to my website, I want you to book a call with me so I can meet you one-on-one. And when I meet with you, I want you to please make the right decision and hire me as your life coach. If you hire me as your life coach, I will not judge you. I won't judge you. I will listen to you. I will coach you. I will counsel you. I will mentor you. And I will be there for you through everything you're going through if you hire me as your life coach. I won't judge you. I won't. Rebuild yourself. You have something special. You have greatness within you. You have the ability to do more than you could ever begin to imagine. You are a masterpiece because you are a piece of the master.